Hello, my dear colleagues. During my last visit to Dubai at the Up Aesthetics Dental Clinic, I was able to record a short video interview with one of the leading specialists of this clinic, David Montalvo. We didn't have much time between patient appointments, but I'm sure even this short video will be useful and motivating for you. Enjoy your watching.
Nice to meet you. You want me to show you the clinic?
Sure.
Well, just follow me, please. This is Up Aesthetics in Dubai. We have 5 rooms here downstairs, and we have a second floor with another room for VIP patients. Also in-house lab. So let me just walk you upstairs. So this is what you're going to see here, the in-house lab, where we have 3 master ceramics working for us, where we do mostly all our porcelain work, zirconia, temporaries, all the lab work, we do it in-house, so we can customize and create the best match for our patients. And this is the VIP room where we treat all patients that they want to have a little bit more of a private treatment. All the rooms are quite similar though. They're like quite wide, subtle, not so many things in here. Also with a TV on the ceiling so they can relax. Nitrous oxygen, blanket. We want to take care of them to make sure that they are comfortable and the experience is as pleasant as possible for them. So let's go into the lab and let me show you how things are happening here. Is Young Master Ceramics here in Dubai, working on some beautiful teeth now. And as you can see, everything is handmade, customized for the patients. We don't really use monolithic ceramic here. Everything is like layered to make the most natural looking results. And yeah, you can take a look.
Okay. My followers, they don't know you. So can you tell something about you, about your work? And the short story, how did you decide to become a dentist?
How did I become to? Well, that's like 25 years ago.
Okay.
My father is a dentist, so I started working for him as a dental assistant. And I enjoyed the work at the time. So I decided to study dentistry. I first became a periodontist. I'm a periodontist by training. So after working for several years as a specialist, just doing surgeries and implants and all that, I moved to New York to do aesthetic dentistry. I did my postgrad training in aesthetic dentistry at NYU. And now what I'm doing is basically combining both worlds, the surgical part and the restorative part, to try to achieve the most natural results, not only for veneers but also for implants, gum grafts, bone graft, implants, combining all those to deliver the best dentistry possible. Yeah.
It will be very interesting if you share some maybe books, maybe some information courses for dentists, which can be useful for the doctors, for Russian doctors.
Courses.
Who was your teachers and books?
Well, I mean, my teachers were, my faculties at NYU. We're talking about Ronaldo Hirata, which is like worldwide known for composite restorations.
Excuse me, can you speak slowly because they they maybe don't understand.
Yeah, so I had like many good teachers or faculties, especially when I was at NYU. One of them is Ronaldo Hirata, who is a very inspiring doctor. He's from Brazil, and he's very famous in aesthetic dentistry and specifically in composite restorations. He has a lot of research about that. And then I was also trained by Stephen Chu, Ivan Ronald, who is also a master ceramics from Brazil, Michael Appa, of course.
Sure.
And yeah, those were like big names that I was able to work with when I was in my training.
What about books?
For books, well, for restorations, I think the Bible at the time that I was studying was Galip Gurel's book,
Sure.
Porcelain Veneers.
Okay.
And I also enjoyed reading Pascal Magne book for restorations.
We made the video interview with him.
You met him?
Yeah.
Yeah,
In Los Angeles.
very inspiring doctor as well.
Yeah, sure.
And then for periodontics, I really enjoyed Sue Kelly. Sue Kelly's techniques. I really learned a lot reading all his articles and his book. And also Otto Zur and Hurzeller from Germany, also really good ones. They also have a very good course in mucogingival surgery as well. So those have been like my inspirations, you know, when I was getting training.
You studied and you worked in New York City, and after that you come to Dubai, right?
I started working in Spain.
Spain?
I'm from Barcelona, from Spain.
Oh, cool.
So I started working there. I worked there for 8-9 years. Then I moved to New York. I did my postgrad training there at NYU. And then Michael offered me to come here to Dubai to open the clinic with him. So I've been here now for almost 9 years.
Almost 9 years here.
Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing. And what is the difference between patients in Dubai and in New York?
I would say the mentality of the people here is a little bit different. I think in United States, they're very aware of oral care. And they are like really understanding the value of taking care of their teeth. Maybe here in Middle East, they're very aware of cosmetic dentistry, but sometimes they don't really give the importance to the oral care, to the health of the teeth and the long-term predictability of the treatments that are happening there. They want maybe results that are more immediate, that they look good, but they really don't take care of maybe posterior teeth that much, the same way that I was seeing in the United States.
Can we name the price of porcelain veneers in Dubai, in New York, in upper aesthetics? Like the average?
In upper aesthetics?
Yes.
Yeah, the range will be between $2,500 to $5,000.
Yeah. In what it depends on what? The difference?
It depends on the doctor that is doing it and also the amount of teeth that we're doing as well.
So if I take more teeth, it will be cheaper?
A little bit, yes.
Yes.
Not so much, but there is a range of movement where we can...
And if my teeth will made by the Dr. Appa, it will like
more expensive.
5,000 per
Exactly.
each. Wow, it's crazy. $5,000. United States dollars.
Dollars, yeah.
Wow. It's very inspiring.
Inspiring, right?
Yeah.
I know.
It's very inspiring to improve the skills to
be able to reach that level, right?
Yes, correct. So your clinical experience is almost 25 years, you said.
20 years.
20 years. What advice can you give to young students, young doctors who are just at the beginning of their dental career?
To the young dentist, I would say to have like maybe like 2 or 3 years to experience like the whole world of dentistry. Try a little bit of everything, so they can discover what they're passionate about. You know, try to find your passion as soon as possible so you enjoy your profession, because otherwise you're gonna be stuck in doing many things that you're not gonna enjoy. If you realize what's exactly what you like inside of the process of the profession, then everything will become way more interesting.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I think we made a very inspiring and a motivational video for young doctors. So thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you for the visit.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.